Okay, so in this video we're gonna try to replace that upper control arm on this 2002 Honda Accord. Pretty simple to do. Now you do have to remove the strap, this wishbone right here. 17mm bolt, and you also have 3 bolts up on top, just to kind of drop the shock, the spring down, to be able to access those bolts. That one and that one. Okay, so I got a pair of vice grips here. See if I can hold that stud so I can loosen this up freely. This out of the way freely, and you can use a 14mm. Okay, I don't know how well you guys be able to see it, but I'm trying to break that loose first. Room for a camera here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going the right way. Let's see if I can push that up. Hold it out of the way. So you don't have to completely take the shocks all the way out, just gotta unbolt it so you can move it around the way you need to pry this, so you can make enough room to pull these bolts out. So I can just move it out like that. This bolt is pretty much out. Other way. Do one side at a time. That's that one. Now we can move the shock to the other side. So we can do the other side. this one. Sorry, this video sucks. It's very hard to film on here. And I just got my phone, so can't afford one of those fancy cameras. So I'm just doing the best I can with my phone. Oh, there's the other bolt. And there it comes. So you can see that these control arms are pretty shot. See that? Now let me show you the new one. So this is the new one. Can't move that at all. It's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on and bolt it back up, and it should be almost done. Okay, so I gotta play around with this shock here. So pretty much the easiest way I found to do it is go behind the shock like this. Goes the first bolt. There you go, that's the first one out. I gotta make sure it goes in the other side too. Okay. Now to the other one. There it goes. Okay, now they're both started. Start tighten them up. Come on now. Okay. I'm not tighten all the way yet. snug. Okay, at this point we can go ahead and put the strap, the shock, spring, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna call it the shocks back on. There you go. right about there. I'm gonna stick the cotter pin through the hole right there. I'm gonna bend it. That's it. I just gotta finish tightening up the control arm bolts. As soon as I get these on the ground, I'll finish tightening them up. That way the car is sitting where it's supposed to before I tighten those bolts up. Took me probably half an hour to do, so pretty easy, simple. So you got to remove all the bolts for this front shock. There's 5 bolts up on top, the one down here for the wishbone, this one right here, and you don't have to take the shock all the way out. You just got to make sure it's just free so that you can move it around as you need to, just to remove those bolts. Well, that's it. Sorry about the video quality. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to make a video just to see if it'll help anybody out there. Thanks for watching.